Is your kitchen drowning in clutter? Let's change that today. We're diving into the world of kitchen organization essentials that will help you declutter, streamline, and totally transform your space. From must-have tools to game-changing gadgets, I'm sharing my favorite finds that'll make organizing your kitchen a breeze. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to a beautifully organized life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss videos for kitchen and home gadgets. But before we dive, if you're looking to save time, get free 2-day shipping on kitchen gadgets and so much more with an Amazon Prime 30-day free trial. Links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up, coffee bean container set. Store and measure your coffee beans with this 10-piece single-dose storage set. Includes 10 glass tubes, 18-21G capacity each, a sturdy wooden stand, a funnel, and a stainless steel coffee spoon. Airtight lids ensure freshness by protecting against moisture and oxidation. The elegant solid wood base adds stability and style to your kitchen. Also great for tea and spices. A perfect blend of function and aesthetics. Price, $39.99. Next up, Mind Reader Tea Bag Organizer. Keep your tea collection neat with this 11-drawer countertop storage. Designed for easy access, it features 9 tea bag drawers plus 2 extra for sweeteners and stirrers. The open design allows quick selection, while rubber feet ensure stability. Compact yet spacious, it fits small spaces like pantries or countertops, making organization effortless. Perfect for home or office tea lovers. Price, $19.99. 3. Over-the-sink dish drying rack. Maximize counter space with this adjustable 26.8-inch to 34.6 dish drainer. Designed for small kitchens, it lets water drain directly into the sink. Made of durable stainless steel, it holds up to 80 pounds. Features removable baskets, utensil holders, and a sponge caddy for customizable storage. Available in multiple colors to match your kitchen decor. Easy to install with included instructions. Price, $40. 4. 5-tier stackable fruit and vegetable basket. Keep your kitchen organized with this sturdy metal storage cart. Features 5 detachable baskets, a durable wood top for extra space, and lockable wheels for easy mobility. Ideal for storing fruits, veggies, snacks, and more. Anti-rust coating ensures long-lasting use. Simple snap-together assembly. No drilling needed. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and beyond. A stylish and practical storage solution. Price, $42.49. 5. Cup holder rack and coffee station organizer. Keep your coffee bar neat with this 5-tier storage rack. Designed for Nespresso Virtual and K-Cup capsules, it features a coffee pod drawer, mug holders, and a spacious shelf for your coffee machine. Made of durable steel and MDF, with wheels for easy mobility. Sleek and modern, it adds style while saving space in your kitchen or office. Price, $67.99. 6. Magnetic knife block. Organize and display your knives with this double-sided magnetic knife holder. Made from premium Acacia wood with hidden neodymium magnets for strong, secure suction. The upgraded stainless steel base ensures stability, preventing slipping or shaking. Easy to clean with a smooth surface that protects your blades from damage. A stylish and functional addition to any kitchen. Price, $60. 7. KitchenArt Rotating Spice Space Rack. Keep your spices organized with this rotating spice carousel, holding up to 12 spices. Simply twist the dial for a precise 1/4 teaspoon measurement. No measuring spoons needed. Made from durable plastic, it includes 55 spice labels and is stackable for up to 48 spices. Its sleek design ensures easy storage and clutter-free organization in your kitchen. Price, $23. 8. Iris USA Stackable Storage Bins. Organize your fridge, pantry, or office with these durable, BPA-free plastic bins. The open front design allows easy access, while the stackable feature saves space. Perfect for snacks, cans, coffee pods, and more. Made in the USA with high-quality materials, these bins keep your home neat and clutter-free. Compatible with other Iris USA storage bins for a uniform look. Price: $43.99. 9. Calmbee Storage Bag Organizer. Tidy up your kitchen with this all-in-one organizer for foil, plastic wrap, and food storage bags. Made from premium bamboo, it features a built-in cutter and storage for gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack bags. The detachable and connectable design offers versatile use, while included labels help you identify your wraps and bags. A practical and eco-friendly solution for a clutter-free kitchen. Price: $49.99. 10. Orii 20-jar dark acacia with spice rack. Organize your spices in style with this elegant rotating spice rack. Made with a blend of dark acacia wood and stainless steel, it includes 20 jars with etched spice names for easy access. The removable sifter caps minimize mess while dispensing, and the compact design saves space. Includes 20 spices from basil to turmeric. A perfect addition to any kitchen. Price: $69.99. 11. Veken coffee canister with window. Keep your coffee fresh with this airtight stainless steel canister, featuring a one-way CO2 valve and silicone seal to prevent oxidation. The built-in date tracker helps you monitor freshness, while the window allows easy viewing of contents. Includes a free stainless steel scoop that attaches to the lid. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it's ideal for beans, tea, and more. Price: $30. 12. KitchenAid large capacity dish rack. This full-size dish rack provides ample space for plates, mugs, bowls, and even large pots and pans. The rust-resistant, satin-coated steel wires ensure durability, while the angled drain board directs water into the sink, keeping countertops dry. With a removable flatware caddy featuring adjustable compartments and anti-slip feet for stability, this rack is built for everyday use. Price: $38. 13. Lazy Susan Turntable Organizer. This 9-inch carbonized black pine wood organizer spins 360 degrees smoothly, making it easy to access condiments, spices, and kitchen supplies. Its open design with raised edges ensures items stay secure, while non-slip feet prevent displacement. Built-in handles allow for easy moving, and it can be used in various areas like the kitchen, bathroom, or office for additional organization. Price: $16.99. 14. Orii Stylish Bamboo Bread Box. This extra-large, 2-shelf bread storage container is made from 100% natural bamboo, featuring clear windows and air vents to keep your bread, bagels, and rolls fresh for up to 2 weeks. The durable, stylish design includes a raised base, side handles, and a flat top for additional storage. Easy to assemble and built to last, this bread box combines function and aesthetics for your kitchen. Price: $67.95. 15. Pantry organization and storage for a kitchen. This expandable and adjustable kitchen wrap box organizer rack helps maximize space, keeping your pantry or countertop tidy. It adjusts in height 3.9 to 8.9 inches and width 9.8 inch to 15.6 to fit various storage needs. Made from durable rust-resistant metal and BPA-free plastic, it holds up to 40 pounds. Easy to assemble and move, it's perfect for organizing kitchen essentials. Price: $23.79. 16. Chef's Path Kitchen Storage Box. Set of 14 airtight food containers. Organize your kitchen with a set of 14 BPA-free containers in various sizes: 2.5 QT, 1.8 QT, 1.2 QT, and 0.7 QT. The airtight, watertight 4-hinge locking system keeps food fresh and prevents spills. Perfect for storing dry foods like cereal, pasta, rice, or even liquids. The set includes chalkboard labels, a marker, and spoon for easy organization. Price: $22.99. 17. Lifewit Utensil Organizer for Kitchen Drawers. This expandable and adjustable utensil tray offers 3 large compartments and 2 expandable slots for storing spatulas, ladles, tongs, and more. The organizer adjusts from 13-inch to 22.4 wide, fitting most kitchen drawers. Made from BPA-free PP material, it's safe and easy to clean. Its sturdy design ensures utensils stay in place, while the curved grooves provide easy access. Price: $19.99. 18. OTraki magnetic shelf for fridge. This 4-pack magnetic spice rack set includes 2 large shelves, 1 small shelf, and a paper towel holder with 5 hooks. Made of durable wood and metal, these racks can hold up to 11 pounds with strong magnetic adhesion. They easily attach to any magnetic surface like refrigerators, microwave, and ovens, offering convenient storage for spices, drinks, and more. Price: $23.99. 19. OCG pull-out drawers for cabinets. This 2-tier heavy-duty pull-out with drawer shelf is perfect for organizing kitchen, pantry, or bathroom cabinets. With dimensions of 14-inch WX21 DX15H, it provides ample space for pots, pans, and small appliances. Easy to install with all necessary hardware and step-by-step instructions. The drawers slide independently on precision ball bearing slides for easy access. Price: $82.89. 20. DINDON 2-tier pull-out cabinet organizer. This double-tier wire basket organizer, 11-inch WX21D, makes cabinet storage more accessible and efficient. It features precision ball bearing slides for smooth, independent sliding shelves. Each tier can hold up to 75 pounds, with a maximum of 40 pounds per extended shelf. The organizer offers adjustable heights for better fit and easy installation. Ideal for kitchens, pantries, and bathrooms. Price: $63.19. So, which of these kitchen organization gadgets caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.